Just call me Cruella de Vil! Okay, so we have done everything that we wanted to do at Animal Kingdom. So we went back to the hotel for a bit, we grabbed lunch, and just relaxed for a bit. We needed it.
I was thirsty.
Yes. Oh, we bought refillable, like, the resort cups. Definitely worth it. We're definitely gonna make good use of those. Which way do we go now? Hold on a sec. And now that we are all well rested, we are heading into the Magic Kingdom to spend the rest of our evening. Alrighty, so these are our first views of Magic Kingdom. We'll get a better view on the other side of the gate. We're here in the Magic Kingdom! We're excited. Let's go in. What are we gonna do first?
Everything.
Oh, okay. Realistically.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out. We'll see what line is shorter. Let's go! Good old Main Street, USA. Are you crying?
No.
Yes. You are. And I have film to prove it. Okay, we're gonna go to the confectionery first. I've actually never been into any of the Main Street shops before because my family always like beelined it for an attraction, so this will be a new experience for me.
Breath mints.
Ooh, gonna have those.
50th anniversary M&Ms.
Nice. Those are actually really cute. That looks really good. It's like a firecracker in your mouth.
I never want to open it.
I know. It's so pretty. So in the next store over, they have all of this vintage 50th anniversary merch. Some of the same stuff we've seen in other stores, but a few things that I think are just unique to this store too. Things we haven't seen anywhere else yet anyways. Some Crocs. Gotta rock the Crocs. Ooh. Oh wow, this is for the preview center of the resort. That is really, really cool. I gotta say, love this guy's style. And we have Mr. Toad. Of course, that is a throwback to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, which is now where Winnie the Pooh is. Oh my goodness, they have these like vintage old school lunch boxes. And what are those, thermoses?
Yeah.
Nice.
For soup.
For soup?
Or hot chocolate.
Both. Maybe not at the same time, but both.
Same time.
Watch it in between.
Unless you've got a soup that's like hot chocolate flavored. I think it's called hot chocolate, but...
You're a goof. All right, we are now popping across the street into the Emporium, which is the main gift shop here on Main Street. Pretty much extends the whole way on the left side here. There's definitely lots to find here. Like a Disney train set. That's cute. Oh my goodness, they have these block sets. So this one is for A Small World. They have a castle one. They're very cute if you have little kiddos or adults who like blocks. We found a Tangled puzzle. Well, Michael did. He's the one who found it. Of course he did. Tangled's our favorite. So this section is full of 50th anniversary stuff, which I mean we've seen a lot of at the World of Disney and let's be honest, everywhere else we've been. But I mean this is the merch we're most interested in. But look, there's Mickey ears that are iridescent. Those are so cute. I know I want to leave at the end of the week with some kind of souvenir, and I know it has to be 50th anniversary related, but I don't know how to choose. There's too many things.
Somebody give us money to like buy it all.
Patreon, everyone. Adventures with Parker on Patreon. Okay, this is one of our first like big views of the castle, and she is glorious. Oh my goodness. She is looking real fancy for the 50th. Real fancy indeed. I don't know what's more beautiful, the castle or this guy right here. We have a cavalcade coming. Hello, Rapunzel! Yes. Oh, it's a fairy godmother! There are so many of them. Holy moly! So we missed the announcement on like who those cheerleaders were, but our Lyft driver did tell us on the way in yesterday that this was a big weekend and week for like cheer competitions and sports and bands and stuff. We chose a busy week, but it's kind of cool that we get to see spontaneous things like that. So this is the third thing that's come down the street like in a very short amount of time, but we're not complaining. Michael and I agree that we are a fan of the fans. Okay, so for our first actual ride of the night here at Magic Kingdom, we're going to do the Riverboat.
During sunset.
During sunset, yeah, it's going to be
romantic. So cute.
And it'll be pretty too. We'll take lots of footage. And there's yet another cavalcade going by way down there. There's no break from them. We've got bubbles on deck. Oh, goodbye. 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 Farewell. Goodbye. Wave the handkerchief. Goodbye.
There's something relaxing about watching all the chaos.
Yeah, I know. Knowing that you're not in it.
Yeah. Got a little doggy watching out for the alligators. Such a good boy or girl.
Down here on the bottom deck, we have all the mechanical workings of the ship. Very cool to see. He's gone from this world of trouble and strife, but a touch of your hand brings his music to life. Oh. Oh, bagpipes. Sounds about right.
That's cool.
Yes, I know my form was a little rusty. Oh, I broke it.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out? Of course, there's always my way. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. Actually, we have 999 happy thoughts here.
The wallpaper has eyes, David.
The clothes have...
Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Oh, would you look at the time?
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, all in the spirits, wherever they are.
As this bones etherealize, rituals of every size.
You found Michael's happy spot. The Rapunzel section. I mean, we both love it, so. Huh, they didn't get his nose right either. Well, I have never done Tomorrowland in the Speedway before, and we're going to fix that, maybe? You got Michael driving, me filming. This is crazy. Oh, we are so bad at this. What?
I'm not supposed to be good at this. I'm a passenger seat.
I'm busy.
I am as good a cameraman as you are a driver. Oh my god.
I am filming and driving, which I would not do if this wasn't, you know, controlled. Just call me Cruella de Vil! Oh my gosh. Oh wow, really nice look at Tron here. Only they can open it. You're gonna beat these guys, I just know it. So Michael, what did you think of our very first experience on the Tomorrowland Speedway?
I've got water and ice cream. I just in my belly now.
I have always avoided the ride. First of all, because it always has like insane lines, and second, because it's loud. It smells like gas. It seems pointless. But I mean, it had literally no wait, so we had to seize the opportunity And it was a fun time. It's still not my favorite, but it was a fun experience nevertheless. And the fireworks are still happening. Also, in case you're wondering why we're blatantly ignoring the fireworks, we have a reservation to come back to the Magic Kingdom on Wednesday. And on that day, we actually have a fireworks dessert party planned, which we're very excited about.
So excited.
It's actually something I booked because his birthday is the day after Valentine's Day, so that was kind of my Valentine's Day birthday gift combined with this dessert party. So
He's the best boyfriend, right?
he does indeed. It's a fact. And so now we are heading into one of my favorite attractions, a true classic here at the Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain. This is a pretty big queue. I mean, look at all that space. The mine train. Whee! Wow! Whee! Ah! Whoa! Wow! Whee! Oh yeah, wee, wee. Alright, so we're waiting for the bus, and out on the lagoon here we can see the electrical water pageant. This is the original nighttime parade here at Walt Disney World. This opened with the park in 1971, long before we got the Main Street Electrical Parade. And it's so pretty. Kind of wish we were a little closer to see it, but oh well. I have hopefully good zoom on my phone. We'll find out when I edit. And that's going to do it for our evening at Magic Kingdom. And our first full day of the trip between Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. Wow, did we get a lot done that first day. It sure was a busy time, but it was magical and wonderful and amazing and just the perfect way to start off our trip. Of course, there's still plenty of Disney adventures to come. Speaking of which, coming up, Michael and I spend a day at Epcot, where we take our very first ride on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. And check out some of the offerings for Epcot's International Festival of the Arts, including the Encanto food booth and the final showing of the Disney on Broadway concert series, along with all of the other things we just love about Epcot. This is one Disney adventure you do not want to miss, so be sure to subscribe and also follow me on social media. You can find me at ADV Parker on Instagram and Twitter. And if you really enjoy what I do on the channel, I also recently launched a Patreon where you can support the channel and help it grow for as little as a toonie a month. Thank you so much for watching and for all of the support you guys give me on these videos. I know I've been plagued with a few technical difficulties over the past month, but I think I have them sorted out now. And now that I'm all done with my classes and projects and exams and all of that university stuff, I'm hoping to commit to a 2-video-a-week release schedule for the remainder of the series. That said, until next time, have a magical week. See ya! Mr. Toad. Of course, that is a throwback